Hey everyone, my name is Erica. Happy October 1st. I wanted to share some spooky happy mail that I just received from my dear friend JoJo. We had agreed to do a fun Halloween swap last year. I will also, by the way, have a silent, faster paced version on my Instagram. And, oh, sorry in advance in case you hear any squeaking, barking, or growling. Our two rescue pups usually spend a good part of the day in the living room with me before going outside or playing in the other room with everything else. So I haven't opened the box yet. It's pretty heavy, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Oh my goodness, everything's stuffed pretty well in here, so I'm just gonna grab a few things. Okay, here we go. Oh, look how cute this little bat is. So we should obviously open him first, right? Let's see. Oh my goodness. So inside we have some sugar skulls, and it's on glitter paper, so we have multiple colors. This would make an awesome banner for my fireplace. And two jumbo ones as well that would probably go great in my October daily album. Next up we have this mystery package. Oh, cute! It says, "Let's go Batty this Halloween." It has a little bat. Looks like it might be ceramic. Then we have a recollections kit. It says it's a spiderweb box. It looks like it has a spiderweb, a couple of poison bottles, so it looks like it's like a little shadow box kit. That will be really fun. Alright, what could this one be? Oh my goodness, it says salt and pepper shakers. It's a truck and a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I see the little truck. It has a little witch hat on there, and the little pumpkin has two little leaves on its head. You probably can't see because it's a little dark in that little box, but I am so excited to use these. These are going to be amazing, even for decor. Alright, next up we have this beautiful little adorable card. I've always wanted to try card making, but I just don't feel like it's within my wheelhouse just yet. But look, this has a little window with cute little clay pumpkin sequin thingies. How adorable is that? Ooh. Wow, look how beautiful. It says, "Hold your candle steady, keep a sharp lookout, for among the shadows you'll see goblins peeping out." It looks like this is a little album. And it has possibly like a little ribbon tie right here. And it has some tabs, so let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these tabs pop out. I put this down and zoomed in a little bit so you could appreciate the minor details a little bit better. But this has a little fold out right here. How cute is that? Little bats, little spider webs. And we have another pop out here. I love the paper she used. It's all very spooky. I like cute Halloween, but I also really appreciate spooky Halloween too. This is gonna make a great Halloween album. And we have this flip up here. Another pop out. So much interactive in one little album. One last flip up here, and another pop out. Gone Batty. I love that. And there it is. That is just beautiful. Let's see what we have next up here. So we have a little potion bottle. It says witch's brew on it, but inside it looks like it has all of this beautiful little confetti. It has little ghosts, stars, hearts, purple sequins, and then a layer of really, really fine glitter. That is so pretty. And I think there's another one in here. Yep. This one is called Spider Bites. And this one appears to be more monochromatic. And it has little spider webs and little words that say spooky on there. I see actual large spiders in there. I don't know if you can see right there. There are some really, really small glass beads in there. That is so pretty. Next, we have this fun pack. Looks like we have some Halloween bottle stickers. We have some, I use doilies, and they have cute little pumpkin faces on them. They're Spiderweb Doilies. I've never seen these before. And we have some holographic spider webs. These will be great to use as cut files. We have white spider web, some more pumpkins, and some more Spiderweb Doilies. I love these. Holographic is my spirit animal. If I could have a color spirit animal, it would be holographic. And last but not least, we have this beautiful pack. Her attention to detail is just amazing. I believe her Instagram is CaliBeachGirl84, but I'll be sure to link her below as well so you can follow her. So it looks like this is a little container full of doodads, and I love doodads. Oh my goodness. There are these little tags in here. There's a little spool of washi tape. There are tons of wood veneers in here. Witch, spiderweb, little kitty cats. Oh, there's the squeaking. Little clothespin. This one says Gone Batty. Some thread. Some die cuts. Then we have this confetti pack. It has little pumpkins and spiders and witches. We have another glitter potion bottle that is just amazing. I kind of just want to keep it as it is. And we have these adorable little felt pumpkins. And the details on these are so cute. They have little jewel eyes or little cutout eyes. We have some more tags over here, various colors. Lots of ephemera to play with. Lots of glittery ephemera to play with. I mean, how cute is this little ghost? And lastly, we have more of these little felt characters that are so cute. We have this little bat that I'm absolutely in love with. Look how cute he is. And lastly, we have kitty cats and a couple of different versions of pumpkins. And that's it. Thank you so much for sharing in some spooky fun with me on this first day of October. And if you're creating this month, I can't wait to see what you make. Feel free, by the way, to leave me your channel links or Instagram usernames if I don't already yet follow you. And Jojo, if you're watching, everything was just so thoughtful and incredible. Thank you, thank you. Have a beautiful day. Bye.